Netflix not doing anything. All right, cool. I don't care then. Yeah, I might take this soon, actually.
Yeah, it's pushing.
I am too. Sorry, I was muted. I think I'm gonna take this soon.
I'm in these guys. Oh shit.
That was a big pop.
That was a huge pop. I got in. I entered just a split second before you. I'm green
Yeah, me
still.
too. I got in right before 214.50. By the time I said I'm in, that thing just broke right through. The goal here, guys, is this breaks through 215. What would your stop loss be on this? You guys play this more often than me.
Probably gonna have like a 7 to 10%.
Yeah.
I want to see 214 hold.
Me too. If that doesn't hold, then I'll just get out.
Yeah, look at the market.
Look at NQ pulling back. Meta is getting affected by that too.
Yes, as well.
I want to see Meta have a nice bounce here.
Yeah, get aggressive now.
Connection
Here.
loss now. That's great.
Look at that green candle. NQ still has a red one.
A good sign. We just need some help. ES
Yeah,
is also
NQ needs
dropping
to
pretty
pop.
heavy here.
I'm green right here. Yeah, look at it holding up, bro. Holding up really good.
If Meta does what it needs to do here and holds, I think this is going to be a
Yo, look at Tesla real quick, bro. Sorry to cut you off, but it just got slapped.
Yeah, it is. But look at SPY and NQ versus Meta. I mean, we picked the right choice, obviously, here. Now it's like, how long can this hold for? It's going to be pretty
news?
At 10, yeah, it's Jolts and something else.
At 10?
Yeah.
Damn, that sucks, dude. I hope they don't ruin this play. Obviously, stop losses. We're keeping it tight here. But this is holding up well against the whole market overall.
Yeah, I got out there at 214. I'm glad I did.
Yeah. Dude, Tesla got bodied. Oh my god.
How did Amazon hold up?
Flapped. It's almost like news came out.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, honestly, did Meta hold up the best? They might have held up one of the best here out of all these stocks.
I definitely think it did.
Yeah, look at the mask. 214. Would you guys be down to play this?
Yeah.
Was there a retest?
Bro, look at this candle, bro.
Look at NQ though.
Stop loss literally.
Yeah, but not much compared to Facebook.
Facebook.
I mean Meta.
Meta.
I don't know why. Yeah, Meta.
Red candle on SPY and NQ. Look at Meta still holding up here. Kind of doing what it is before. I think it's held up the best here. We'll see. Because if this comes up to 214.80 into 215 and then market ends up trailing it and end up following it, this is like a 217 play up to 217 most likely today. Meta can move.
I'll have it ready.
All right. Wow. Oh my god. Obviously, we're still looking at the same level, 214.80, guys.
Pretty low volume on Meta for the day.
You said low?
Yeah. Normally has more volume than this.
Boy, they can't be buying that much here when the market's just collapsing off the open. Let's see what it does here, though. I'd have the stop loss as 214 and be very strict with that. Probably 214.10 just in case. I don't want to see it test my level again and then come back down. It has to be smooth this time, especially the second time around.
Starting to slow down a bit.
The wall 215 isn't that big.
It's that 5-minute trend, Adam.
Yeah, it needs one power candle into that after the 214.80 level.
And Q Wiccan, see what meta does. We got news in 10 minutes too.
10 minutes, yeah. I mean, if this starts moving now, we can get in and out before that news.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think the news is anything special. Like, there's a good chance it doesn't do anything.
Hope so.
That's good.
I don't know, man. Sounds like a scary name.
What is it?
Jolts.
Oh,
I don't like that.
red to green on meta. Let's see if it can hold here.
I just want to see NQ consolidate and see what meta does.
Actually, damn, NQ is coming back to this 1 minute trend. I hope it doesn't get rejected. It's at 13,280. Still a little far, but we got to watch that.
NQ's green on the day now with that push.
Microsoft is moving.
Meta's
Meta
trying.
above 50. Above 60 a second there.
NQ red candle.
Yeah, let's see.
Meta holding
yeah.
up.
Meta's holding it. Guys, we're looking at we're looking at the same contracts, but in the same level, 214.80. We're gonna try it again. Stop loss is gonna be 214.10 on the bid. You like this, Mason, or not? Mason's been muted.
Meta's still green while NQ had a red candle. Before
Yeah,
Meta was having red candles.
Pushes here, it's nice.
It looks ready. The thing is, I need a nice green candle here because I can't have one of these little moves because it needs to be a decent green. Oh, there it goes.
Let's go.
It needs to be a little bit
Available.
more than that. We need it into 215.
Here we go.
We don't want it to make the okay. A little bit more on this candle. How much time is left? 30 seconds. It
Need a
has
bid to
to
hold
like
above
push
80.
here. These little highs, we don't want those.
NQ's at that 1 minute trend.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at the 5 minute on Meta. It's a flat top from pre-market and now. It's the third time trying this.
So it's right around here.
Let's see.
Yeah, we have
I did get
push.
in, but if this rejects, I'm gonna have a tight stop loss on this.
Yep. I'm green.
I'm up 15%.
Hey,
Yo.
15%. Where'd you get it?
Benji.
Catch that
214.
reversal.
Damn, bro.
Here it goes. There's a big wall here for some reason.
Yeah.
Just
This is
broke.
nice.
Need something to happen here soon.
Bro, this NQ 1 minute trend is so
Annoying. It's right there. That's what it is. It's freaking annoying.
yeah.
That's what I was talking about before when I was saying we got to be careful about that because if it keeps rejecting, it'll reject Meta as well here. This is Meta's chance though. So what Meta needs to do is show the strength, and then when people start, others start noticing this, they'll flood more into Meta here to the upside. But I want to see what this does. It's holding well. In a dangerous spot though, because this thing can drop pretty quickly.
Yeah, that's why I have a tight stop on this.
Yeah, just have to be careful.
Red to green would be nice.
To green.
Actual red to green.
The contracts expire in 2 days, so technically it's like a Wednesday right now. Red candles across the market. Great job, guys.
I sold
Big
before
stuff.
that. Yeah. I'm not gonna play with these games if the market's gonna be doing these kinds of movements today.
The news comes out in 5 minutes too.
That's annoying.
Yeah, I'm probably done for the day, honestly, at this point. Like if meta doesn't happen soon here, I'm done for the day. There's no way like I stick around.
I'm not
We get
trying
above
this
here,
again.
has to shoot.
Solid bounce back.
Oh, cut out, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm not.
That
Yeah.
was a perfect bounce, to be honest. Anything lower, I would have got out. But it needs momentum here. It's bouncing with ES here.
Yeah, look at these.
So that's not
bro.
good.
They're stupid.
Yeah, see, ES is bouncing off that intraday trend line, and Meta's not doing anything right here.
Well, I like Tesla. And there it goes. They need a bounce where it's a power candle. The one that they had at 9:49 p.m. Eastern time. That's what they need. Right now, you're getting a retest, which is kind of normal. Like what's going on right now is kind of normal. Especially because it's a flat top, so it's not just a new high type of thing. So we'll see how this goes. Like I said, if this doesn't happen soon, I'm done for the day and I'm just gonna walk away because it's just getting to that time.
There you go. That's what you want to see on
Yeah,
meta.
that was a red to green on a 5 minute too.
You want to see a little bit more though, because you want this candle to be a 5-minute breakout, red to green. Okay, so look on the 5 minute, this candle's red to green right now. It needs to get above 80 to confirm like this is the one. Once this gets above 80 on this candle, it'll be very, very solid.
Come on, we'll make it happen.
You need the power here. The bid's gonna be in control here. Let's see what they do.
News in 2 minutes, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, come on.
God
And he's
bless.
pushing. Yes, it's starting to push.
You just never know with the news, so that's why I just
Yeah,
let you guys know.
you really never know, honestly.
They're buying it up.
Now
Look at
we
the
got
volume. Wow.
we got 1 minute here, so this candle here is extremely important.
Yeah,
was-
very important.
That was a good candle for meta right there.
Why? How much volume did it have?
It was just a lot of more buying than selling.
Yeah, 120K in volume, and it was all buying. Oh, bro.
Just be careful here with
The
when the
news.
news comes out. It's actually holding up now while ES is kind of dropping, retesting that intraday trend.
Same thing with NQ.
It's just doing its own thing, which is kind of good.
$20 seconds on the news.
That's good for meta. Meta's holding
You're
up really
in.
well.
Just be careful here. Oh, it just
Here
broke
it
80.
goes.
Guys.
Yeah.
Oh, 90.
There it goes.
Oh,
There you go.
there
Waiting
it
for
goes.
There it is.
215.
215 here, guys. With the
Needs to-
news, 3 seconds in. Let's see if it breaks.
Just up 3.
There it goes.
Oh, the news
Oh,
pushed
man.
NQ pushed with that too.
Let's fucking
That was
go.
sick.
So,
That was clean, guys.
sorry.
Very clean. You didn't even need the news. It was popping before that.
I want to hold this. If I
Meta
can.
just killed that. Look at this. New high here. Damn.
That was on the ask.
Yep.
20. There we go.
Congrats. Oh, man.
Let's fucking go.
Nice.
You guys catch that?
Let's go.
No, I didn't try it a third time.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, I
That's
caught
fun.
it here.
I mean, it's still news, guys, so obviously be careful. But that was a great play.
Gotta hold 215.
New
Just like
high in the
that.
same candle.
Let's go.
Yeah, new high. This is super good. I scaled
Oh
out
my
there.
God.
Look
This
at it.
looks
Look at
nice.
NQ.
Yo, I wish
This
I was
is
in
crazy.
right now. Holy shit.
That's yeah. Yeah, but I mean it is what it is here. 11% here.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh my
go. I
God.
just got out right
I'm out.
there. That was
I just got out.
crazy.
Oh my god.
See, let's go
Let's
216. I
Bro,
really
Come
want
did my
on.
contracts fill or like what are we doing here?
They take a second,
I
bro.
think
Yeah, they wouldn't sell me limit. I just had the market
Oh
fill.
my god.
Damn.
Yo, I'll be quite honest with you. This was clean, bro. There was nothing about this
Yeah,
that wasn't.
that was fire, dude.
The only reason is here, let me show you guys why it's clean. You guys are just used to going straight up and straight down. This is called clean. Stock comes back, retests the high of the day, rejects, holds 214, and then comes back. That's called a bull
Future
flag.
stays strong,
It's
you get
literally
216
a
easy.
clean play, right? So I know we're used to the straight up and straight down. That's why you don't go in so heavy, so you can hold on to these plays. That's how it's supposed to look like. This is like the normal. This is what it's supposed to look like.
Oof.
Right here.
That red to green. Come on.
Bro, when my contracts wouldn't fill, dude, I hate that so much.
Yeah, that's the 5-minute
Market
on
telling
meta
me
right
just-
now. Be careful.
Yeah, I sold like right at that trend.
What trend?
The 5
Oh
minute.
yeah, I had it too. Those were my fills for the day.
I started off on that first play. I started off like minus 800 on the day,
Let's take it. Boom.
but
Okay.
came back
Nice.
to-
Slightly
I was
green on the
red
day.
like 200. Finish
Made it
screen.
back in blood.
nice.
So this was way too big of a stop. Don't do that, guys. That was okay.
That's why you've got to have proper stop losses.
See what Keith said.
Don't risk more than you know you can make on the trade.
Keith, preach.
Look at NQ and ES like retracing the
Here,
whole
Norris
move.
fills.
From the yeah.
I'm assuming that's his buy, so Keith made a bag. This is what Nour was talking about. Benji,
Nah, Pred, I'm done for the day, brother.
made a bag. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm done too.
Bro, this
That
would
was
have hit
nice.
216 at least if the market wasn't doing that.
I said the same. Alright, peace. Alright guys, so just a quick recap of my trades today. I was looking at this 214.80, which was the pre-market high right around here, into the 215 break, and then maybe if we can get to 216. Clearly it didn't happen. My stop loss was supposed to be at the low of this candle. Seeing this right here, so let me show you over here. So yeah, okay. So seeing this big rejection off of the pre-market high, I should have stopped out either this candle or this candle. I waited here to the low of this candle and I hesitated. So usually you want to cut your losses, you know, sooner rather than later, because this ended up being a really big loss. I should be up like 100, 150 on the day, but I let this loss be way too big. And you can see in futures right here, at that same time right here, 938, futures started turning around, and I was saying during the trade, we need futures to pop for meta to break. even though meta was strong, you can't have futures dropping like this during an upside play. Like this will kill you. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So yeah, like a drop like this in futures, if you're in calls, like that's a big red flag. And you can see at this candle right here, 939, 939, we turn green to red. This is right above my stop. So even here, I was probably down like 10% or something. This should have been my exit candle. I waited here, waited for this low to break, and then I even hesitated a second. So that's why I took a really big loss on that one. And then here, my second entry was right around here, 948, I believe. Yeah. I saw that we were bouncing at this well, actually before that, let me go. So we had a rejection off this pre-market high. So I kind of made this like a intraday little supply zone, and then this turned to an intraday demand just based off of how hard we reject off those areas. So you can see we bounce here. That's the first bounce. This doesn't make this demand really. Come back, bounce pretty strong. Come back, we keep looking here. This is around when I drew that little area. Because I can see this low of day. That's where a lot of buyers are stepping in, right around, just under this 213.50 to low of day pretty much. And then the supply is this pre-market high. I just took that whole big candle right there and just extended it. So you can see we come here. I think we wicked up by like 1 cent. Yeah, we broke it by 1 cent. Hard rejection. Came back, broke it by 7 cents. Rejected again. But then we ended up following through. I was really close to stopping out this time too. But yeah, since we held right around that area, bull flag into that 215 break that I was looking for. I wanted to see if I can hold to 216, and we had a trend right there, but since we started rejecting, I was like, all right, I'm up a lot, let me just take my profits. But yeah, so what I could have done better, I could have stopped out way sooner on this one. Don't hesitate on a stop loss. Like if you're scalping, you have to be in and out really quick. You have to know where your areas are. Know that if NQ is doing this, if ES is doing that, and you're in calls, your stock starts to reject at the key level that you were looking to enter at, that's a big red flag. Those are the fake outs that go back to low of day, break low of day, and keep going down. So the sooner you cut this loss, the better, because you don't want your losses to be bigger than your wins. So I was lucky enough to find this demand zone that once we started, curling back up, I pretty much waited for this like little consolidation area break. Not consolidation really, but this little area break. Got in right around here. Looking for 215 break. Seeing this rejection at that high again, broke it by a couple cents. That's a big red flag. And I don't even think, yeah, futures were still holding up around this time. So that's a red flag. Plus we had news at 10. So that's not really what you want to see. But I had such a good entry, I was able to hold it and wait it out just to see what ends up happening. Because I knew the 215 break, and I was looking at 216 to see if I can sell some here too. But the risk to reward was really good. Plus, my risk with my entry was pretty much break even. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the recap of that. Peace.